Okay, good day. This part is just talking about how women can fit, can do those work that men always do in the society. For example, it talks about going to office, doing official work. Women are naturally known for doing domestic work. So she was saying that women can also do those things that men are doing. So that's what this passage is actually talking about. But I would like you to actually read so that I can have the deep understanding of it. But when you are reading, I told you you may not read to have the main idea of the information, yeah, of the passage. So in 3 minutes, you will be able to read through and have the understanding. Now, the first question is number 32. So the main purpose of the passage is to. So what's the passage even doing? Emphasize the value of tradition? No. Well, maybe let's see. Let's check option B. Stress the urgency of an issue. The way she described this message, it shows that there's an urgent need. So the answer is B. The answer is B. But let's check all the options and see. It doesn't emphasize the value of tradition. If you read through, you understand what I'm saying. No. Even though they are talking about the fact that the tradition of, when a man is the only one doing the official work, going to work, taking charge of so many things. Yes, they were talking about, but he didn't talk about that it emphasized the value of it. So this is too extreme. It's wrong. So this one should be the answer. So option C, I like severity of social division. No, we didn't talk about that. Question the feasibility of undertaking. These two are obviously wrong. So and A2 is wrong too. So the answer is B. So that's the right answer. Even when you read through, you get the tone from when you read through this passage. Number 33. Then the central claim of this passage is that. So what's the central claim? Let's see. Central claim. Now, educated women face a decision about how to engage with existing institutions. So I was telling you that this party was talking about the fact that women are not allowed to work, you know, in the institution, in the society. I'm talking about this official work in the industry and all of that. So this party is actually talking about that women should be allowed. So now looking at option A, it looks good. Educated woman faces a decision about how to engage with existing society. But let's see if others are right too. Women can have position of influence in the English society only if they give up some of their pressure. He didn't say that. She didn't say they should give up their roles. No. But she was saying that okay, they can actually still do all this official work. So this is normal close and it's very, very tempting. So you have to be smart. If they give up, no, they didn't say that. So this spoiled it. This last sentence, only if they give up some of their traditional roles, they didn't say that. If just first part should be right. Prophecy, the male the male monopoly on power in English society has had grave and continued effect. Yes, she was talking about that, but that is not the central claim. We talk about how women and men are dominated, you understand. But this is too extreme, and the tone of the passage was just saying was a concern for women, to actually go out there and work in the institution. So our beef is not with men. That okay, men, not that men are bad, no. So this was what this option is suggesting, and it's wrong. So option D, the entry of educated women into position of power traditionally held by men will transform this position. There was no information to support this. There's no behavior to support this in the passage. So D is wrong, C is wrong, B is wrong, A is right. Now let me give you some things. You might not even know the answer to a particular question, but as far as you can prove that others options are wrong, then the remaining one will be the right answer. So please, you have to work with that. 34. Wolf uses the word we throughout the passage mainly to why. Why is she using we? Yeah? Why is she using we in the passage? Let's look at number 25. 25. For their traipsing along at the trail end of the procession, we go ourselves, and that makes a difference. We who have looked so long at the pregnant in books, or from a curtain window watch educated men leaving house at 9:30 to go to an office. Now, the question is asking, why does she use we there? What's the significance of we there? So, reflects the growing friendliness among a group of people. No, at least she's not talking about using we. There's an urgent need for something. So, we there is not showing friendliness. No, they are not. She's not sounding in a friendly way there. That's what we just read now. Advance the need for candor among group of people. Is she doing that? No, she isn't doing that. I don't think she's doing that. No, she isn't. Because so she isn't. She's not doing that. Um, establish a sense of solidarity among a group of people. Solidarity here, you have to check in your dictionary. Although in the exam you will not be having, you don't have the opportunity to do that, but then since you are learning now, it's an opportunity for you to learn. Let's check candor first. It means fairness. About the need for fairness among the group. Yes. No, the sense here is that okay, it's close, but no. But let's see other ones. Solidarity means union of interest, purpose. Solidarity means like agreement. We, our, like we. So I think C should be the best answer. It can't be this is close, but it's not. So reinforce the need for respect among group of people. This is wrong. A and this obviously wrong. Advance the need for this fairness. Like that means fair judgment among group of people. Is there anything like this dealing with judgment? Is anybody making any judgment here? But still telling me establish a sense of solidarity and a sense of agreement. Should all agree to do something among group of people. So we should do this. So I think the answer is C. 35. According to the passage, Wolf chooses the setting of the bridge because it. So why does she take this setting of the bridge? Why? There must be a reason why she picked that. We'll go back to the passage. Okay, is it a conducive? Let's look through first. Is conducive to a mode of fanciful rebellion? No, it isn't. Provide a good view of the possession of the son of educated men. This look good, but I'm not sure. It's within sight of historic episode to which the no, it doesn't mean. When you read through the passage, you understand what I'm saying. If you have read through it, you should understand. That's why I said you must read the passage first. Option D is symbolic of legacy of past, present son of educated. No, these are wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. So we are left with these two, and this one is wrong. So this one looks more, this is the answer. Provide a good view of possession of the son of educated. So option B is right there. I'm trying to see. Okay. Number 36, right? Wolf indicates that the possession she described in the passage has come to have more practical influence in recent years. No, she didn't say that. 2 has become a celebrated feature of English public life. No. What's the meaning of possession as we're talking about? Has become less exclusionary in membership in recent years. Yeah, this looks good, but let's see if we can get something to back it up here. For we, but we have to ask ourselves here and now, do we wish to join the procession or don't we? On what time shall we join the procession? Above all, where is he leading us? The procession of educated men. Read the part very well and read down because I don't have much time to be doing all of that. You understand that option A is obviously wrong, sure. B is that's statistics. B is wrong too, and C is wrong. It's only D that's the correct answer. No, please, I need you to take your time. Do not be lazy. Don't say because I'm doing right now that you don't read through. You have to look into it and read the passage and understand it before you do the correction. Because if you do it, it's going to affect you. Now, let's look for the evidence to support this. 37. Now, let's check through. One trick I want to teach you is I've told you that SAT they used to ask questions from the beginning of the passage like that, they flow through. So, since we are at that point of it, so let's just check through. 12 to 17. What is it saying? There they go, our brother who have been educated at public schools and universities, mounting the step, passing in out of doors, assigning the pulpit, preaching, men, administering justice, medicine. That's not our answer. Let's check another 17 to 19. It is a solemn sight always, a procession like a caravanserai crossing the desert. But now, for the past 20 years or so, it is no longer a sight, merely a program of Francisco scrolled upon the wall of time. As if you can look at merely an aesthetic appreciation. Does it look at what we are looking for? No, it doesn't look at. Let's see 23 to 24. No, 24. For their tripping along at the tail end of the procession, we go ourselves and then make a difference. We who have looked at so long at the book or from the curtain window watch educated and living the house at online ourselves from representing to passively we need look passively no longer. So that means they are getting more involved now. You know what this part is telling us. So the correct answer here is C. Yeah, you see. Check it. Check for C. Now let me do one more question then. I'll make another video. Number 38. Wolf characterized the question in line 53 to 57 for women as both 53 to 57. This is for we have to ask ourselves here and now, do we wish to join that profession or don't we? On what time shall we join this profession? Above all, where is this leading us and the profession of educated women? So she was asking that about that comment, that question controversial and threatening. Is it? No, it's urgent, weighty and unanswerable. No, momentous and pressing. It means it's pressing because it's urgent. The answer is C. Provocative and mysterious. No, it isn't. So the best bet here is C. It's urgent. It's urgent. So it's pressing. When you say pressing, what is pressing? Momentous means significant. It's important and it is urgent. So let's check through 53 to 57 again to show you that it's urgent. Now, for we have asked ourselves here and now, do we wish to join that procession or don't we? Or what time should we join that procession? Above all, where is it leading us to? So it's letting us to know the moment is short. Can you see? That means there is urgency. It is my